Good morning, students. First of all, I like to appreciate all the students who had done their homework. You had done a good job. Keep it up. Okay. I hope you can remember the first unit prose. The title of the prose is Hobby Turns a Successful Career. Now, let us recall the prose. Unit 1 prose have 3 sections. Section 1 is about a boy named Money. Hobbies are unique to people. Money's hobby is writing. He feels writing is like painting the voice. Writing gives energy to him. While writing, he imagined a world with magic and magicians. In that magic world, he could fly and birds could talk. His hobby helped him in school too. And his goal is to become a writer like R.K. Narayan. Section 2 is about Ajay Kumar Garg. Ajay Kumar Garg is a very talented young artist. Treatment for an injury in the age of 3 left him permanently deaf. His father observed that Ajay was talented in painting. Asha Devi taught Ajay the old and dying technique of traditional Indian miniature painting. And he mastered in that. He displayed his 150 paintings and sold 144. In 2004, Ajay was awarded a National Award of Accomplishment from Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Ajay's current goal is to re-energize the dying art of traditional Indian miniature painting. Section 3 is about Ilavalahi, the 5th World Carom Champion. Ilavalahi is a daughter of fish cart driver who was a district level champion in Carom. He began coaching his daughter when she was 5 years old. Ilavalahi won her first match against her father. It gave her confidence and led her to win the world champion. She has been playing for the state for almost 14 years and she holds 260 medals. I hope you understood the prose. Now you are asked to say whether the given statements are true or false. The first one, Mani's hobby is playing cricket. The statement is false because Mani's hobby is writing. Second one, hobbies are unique to people. I told you earlier that hobbies are uncommon or different to people. So, the statement hobbies are unique to people is true. Third one, people have hobbies only to pass time. This statement is false because people have the hobbies and they also do something useful for them. For example, to gain money or to get some fame. People have hobbies only to pass time. This statement is false. Yes, let me repeat it. Mani's hobby is playing cricket. It is false because Mani's hobby is writing. Hobbies are unique to people. Yes, it is true. Hobbies are uncommon or different to people. People have hobbies only to pass time. It is false because people make something useful for them while they were in their leisure time. So, the hobbies were useful for them and not only to pass time. So, the given statement people have hobbies only to pass time is false. Yes, in section 2, the first statement is Ajay Garg is an artist. Yes, it is true because he is an artist. Second one, Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. Yes, the statement is true. Asha Devi only taught Ajay about the miniature painting. Third one, Ajay displayed 150 paintings. Yes, it is true because we know that he displayed 150 paintings and sold 144 out of his 150 paintings. So, the statement Ajay displayed 150 paintings is true. The last one. Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It is true because we know that in 2004 Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So it is true. Shall we repeat it? First one, Ajay Garg is an artist. True. Asha Devi taught Ajay the miniature painting. True. Ajay displayed 150 paintings. True. Ajay was awarded by the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It is also true. Yes. Fill in the blanks. First one. Money feels writing is like dash. Money feels writing is like painting or voice. Money feels writing is like painting or voice. Second one. Ajay mastered the techniques of dash. I hope you know that Ajay mastered the techniques of traditional Indian miniature painting. So the answer is traditional Indian miniature painting. Third one. Ilavalahi won her first match against her father because it gives her confidence and lead her to the world champion. Ilavalahi won her first match against her father. Let's fill in the blanks. Money feels writing is like painting or voice. Second one, Ajay mastered the techniques of traditional Indian miniature painting. Third one, Ilavalahi won her first match against her father. Yes, now I am going to teach you the first unit poem. The title of the poem is My Hobby Reading, which was written by the poet Arunachalam Chandrasekharan. Yes, the title of the poet is My Hobby Reading and it was written by Arunachalam Chandrasekharan. Yes, as I told you earlier, hobbies are uncommon to people. According to their interest, it will change. Students, do you like reading? I can't hear your answer, but if you say yes, it is very nice because there are many advantages in reading books. They are reading help us to build a better vocabulary. It improves our language skills. It stimulates imagination. It gives us new knowledge and reading improves our concentration and memory. So, reading is very essential for all the students to improve their knowledge. Yes, here the poet's hobby is reading. So, he gives it in his title itself that my hobby reading. Let us see how it is useful, that is his hobby reading is useful for him. Yes, my hobby is reading. Here, my refers to the poet. The poet says that his hobby is reading. It helps me. Me refers to the poet himself. He says that how his hobby is helpful to him. It helps me in thought breeding. The meaning of breeding is just improve. Here the poet says that his hobby is reading and it helps him to improve his thought. The habit of reading improves his thought. So he says that my hobby is reading. It helps me in thought breeding. It takes me to places near and far. The poet says that reading takes him to the nearby places and also far away. It means his hobby reading. Reading takes the poet to the places nearby and far away. For example, when you read the story Alice in Wonderland, you can imagine that you too in that Wonderland with Alice. So, reading takes everyone to the places about what they read. So that only he mentioned it here that reading takes him to places nearby and far away. It keeps my rational doors ajar. The meaning of rational is intelligence or knowledge, and the meaning of ajar is slightly or partly open. As the poet says that reading keeps the doors of knowledge open. While we read books, we can gather knowledge about everything, about what we read. So, he mentioned it here that it keeps my rational doors ajar. Reading keeps the doors of knowledge or intelligence open for the poet. Then the next line, it teaches me to cackle and cry. Here, cackle means informal laugh. For example, while you read a joke, immediately you began to laugh. It looks like an informal laugh. So, here he mentioned that it teaches me to cackle and cry. When the poet read books, he laugh and cry according to the situation or the book he read. Is without wings, it lets me fly. Without wings, it lets me fly. Reading helps the poet to develop his imagination. And in that imaginary world, it led him to fly high without wings. Reading helps the poet to develop his imagination and it led him to fly high without wings. Without wings, he is able to fly, but it is in the world of imagination. Then, I wish. Here, the poet says that he had a wish. Yes, what was his wish? Let us see it. If all the children could read in constructing a vigorous society, then we shall succeed. The poet's wish is that if all the children could read in constructing a vigorous society, then we shall succeed. Constructing means create and vigorous means powerful. The poet have a wish that all children should take up reading as their hobby. If they do so, if they make reading as their hobby, they can build a powerful society and they shall succeed in their life. So, dear students, try to develop a taste for reading because it is an excellent hobby. Reading is an excellent hobby and it leads you to reach your goal. I hope you understood the poem. Yes, are you ready to answer few questions which were too simple? The first question is, what is the hobby of the poet? We can guess it from the title itself because in the title itself it is given that my hobby reading. So the hobby of the poet is reading. The hobby of the poet is reading. The second question, what does azar mean? Azar means partly or slightly open. So the answer for the second question is azar means partly or slightly open. Third one, can the poet fly without wings? Can you guess? Yes, the poet can fly without wings, but it is in the imaginary world or in the world of his own imagination while he read the book. Fourth one, what can children do to society if they read? Yes, what is the result why the children make reading as their hobby? If they read, they can build a vigorous, that is a powerful society. Fifth one, what is theme of the poem? What is the theme? Reading is an excellent hobby is the theme of the poem. Yes, the answer for the first question. What is the hobby of the poet? The hobby of the poet is reading. What does azar mean? Azar means partly or slightly open. Can the poet fly without wings? Yes, the poet can fly without wings. What can children do to society if they read? If they read, children can build a vigorous society. What is theme of the poem? Reading is an excellent hobby is the theme of the poem. Okay, let us know about the rhyming words. Rhyming words are two or more words which have the same sound. It usually occurs at the end of the poetic lines. Rhyming words are two or more words which have the same sound. It usually occurs at the end of the poetic lines. In this poem, we have many rhyming words. For example, read the words reading, breeding. When you read the words aloud, reading and breeding, they have similar sound. So, these words are rhyming words. Shall we list out the rhyming words in this poem? Yes, the first one is reading, breeding. That is, when you read aloud, it gives the similar sound. Then the next one is far, azar. Yes, if you read these words aloud, it gives the same sound. That is, the sound is similar for these two words for azar. So these are rhyming words. Then the next one is cry, fly. When you read it aloud, they give similar sound. So these also rhyming words. Then the last one is read, succeed. Read, succeed. If you read it aloud, it too give similar sound. So these also the rhyming words. So we have many rhyming words in the poem. They are reading, breeding, far, azar, cry, fly, read, succeed. As I told you, the rhyming words usually occur at the end of the poetic lines. Here I wrote down the rhyming words for you. Reading, breeding. For, azar. Cry, fly. Read, succeed. Yes, these are the rhyming words given in the poem My Hobby Reading. And you are asked to pick out the rhyming words. They will give you two poetic lines and you are asked to pick out the rhyming words from that given lines. Then you have to pick out the rhyming words and you should write it like this. For example, here I listed out the rhyming words given in the whole poem. The rhyming words are reading, breeding, for, azar, cry, fly, read, succeed. Yes, I hope you can answer if you are asked to pick out the rhyming words. Yes, thank you students. Let us continue in the next class.